What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, loves? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and you have now entered into I'm almost turned into a werewolf stage. Y'all see the eyes? Y'all, I'm so sad that I haven't been able to do Halloween looks, but I think I'm going to pump some out the last week of October. I am trying to, y'all. I've just been so busy, but we're going to try to pump at least something out, at least one the last week of October, okay? Cool. Today, guys, we have the long-awaited Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. So yeah, if y'all want to see what's in this baby, y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Y'all know I love chit-chatting it up. Okay, loves, so welcome to all of my new subscribers. Welcome. I'm so happy to have you be a part of our family. Today, as I said in the intro, we are doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And y'all, I kind of screwed up this month with Ipsy. I'm going to show y'all what I'm talking about once we get into this bag, but I screwed it up really. Before we go any further, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl early. I greatly appreciate you all. Last week, we were pumping out a lot of videos, guys. So I'm going to take the first 5 from Friday's video and put it in this video. The drink for today is some blood. Well, it's not even red. It's Moscato, y'all. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a $25 per month beauty subscription, includes free shipping. You get 5 full-size beauty products with a value of $120 or more. You can choose 3 products now. I think it's on the 2nd and 3rd of each month. And Ipsy will choose 2 products for you based on your profile and your past reviews. If you want to subscribe to Ipsy, I do have a link down below. So check it out, guys, if you want to. And while you're at it, make sure you subscribe to TonyaNicole's Bomb Ass Unboxing World, boo. All right, y'all. Without further ado, let's get this bag on and poppin', boo. I did not even open it yet, but I kind of know what I got because I chose most of them. So everything comes in this little bag right here, which is a cute bag for the month. I don't know how I feel about that, but it's a cute bag. And on the back, it says your magic. I love that. So I'm going to pull out all of the items and then show you guys. We'll start with what Ipsy picked for me, and then, yeah, we'll go from there. The card right here says your magic, hashtag Ipsy Magic for October 2020. And it does not, y'all, give us anything on the inside. So yeah, make sure you save the date though for November 2nd to build your bag, okay? Let's see what Ipsy chose for your girl. So first thing that Ipsy chose for me was the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder, which really, I was really excited when I saw that they chose this for me. I have been using Tarte products a little more recently, and I was very excited to see this, and they chose it in the shade Translucent Tan Deep. So this is the double duty Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. I love the packaging. It is gorgeous. When we open her up, oh girl, we have a mirror. Hey boo. It does come with this little powder puff here, guys, and this is what it looks like on the inside. We just pulled this little tab back. Let's see if I can get it. Well, I couldn't get it, but the powder is in there. Y'all see the powder? So I have this beautiful tan deep powder that I think is going to be great for either highlighting under my eyes or setting under my eyes. If I was going for a more natural look, this would be the perfect color for me to set underneath my eyes with. So I am happy, to receive this product. I really am. And let's put it back together and let's see what the price is. This is the Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape Setting Powder in Translucent Tan Deep. And this one retails for $34. And it's saying here that it is translucent, flashback free powder that diffuses light to boost radiance while setting your makeup for an all-day wear. So, okay, Ipsy, good job on this one because I do love a setting powder. Sorry for that glare, y'all. And the next product is the Lovecraft Beauty Eyeshadow Palette right there, gorgeous. I love the wings. It's just so, to me, in the theme of Halloween and magic. Like, this is the packaging, you know, I would expect to see for Halloween. So I'm very excited about that. And this is what it looks like on the back, guys. And let's open her up. Oh my God, y'all, we get another mirror. Hey, boo. Oh, okay, y'all. So this is a gorgeous palette. This is perfect for all of those Halloween, fall type looks. Oh my God, it is gorgeous. I love it. Y'all know I have to swatch it. Oh yeah. Oh goodness. That's what they look like on my fingertips. Let's swatch them on my hand. Okay, those are the swatches right there. Those shimmer colors are gorgeous. These two are some matte colors. Let me build up this black a little bit. Let's build up the black one. And let's build up this Juno color a little bit more. So there you have it. Those aren't good swatches, y'all. That's my fault. But I love this blue right here. It's gorgeous. This light lavender color here is gorgeous. Ooh, I like this palette. Okay, yes. And this, guys, retails for $35. And it says it's a basic rituals eyeshadow palette, neutral mattes to eye-catching metallics. It claims to last for hours without smudging, creasing, or fallout. And I'm excited about this one, y'all. I love it. Okay, 35 bucks. Now let's get into the products that TonyaNicole chose. And let me take a drink before we get into that. So first up, we have from Perlis, and this is the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. That's how it looks. It has a glare, so I don't want to hold it up too long, guys. But let's take it out. Y'all know I do love Perlis's products. In here, you get 1.7 fluid ounces of product. That's what it looks like right there, loves. I'm loving the green color. On here, it says beauty through Asian wisdom. The benefits: green tea is a powerful antioxidant that moisturizes skin and protects it from signs of aging. White tea soothes sensitive skin. Vitamin E prevents premature aging and improves skin texture. And French marine plants help retain moisture. All right, gently smooth this over the face before makeup, or you can wear it alone. For best results, cleanse skin with the Perlis Cleansing Milk first. And this is great for daily use, my loves. I'm sure it has a seal on it. It does. And this retails for $45. $45. Perlis is pretty expensive, so $45, guys. Okay. The second product that I chose was the Voluminous Creme Brulee Fun-Sized Eyeshadow Palette right here, my loves. And I'm excited for this. This is a 10 shadow palette. Let's open her up. All right, when we pull it out, this is what she is looking like right here, my loves. And in this palette, you have some mattes, creamy foils, metallics, and satiny shades. And we do have another mirror. Hey, love. Ooh, wee girl. This is gorgeous. Oh my God, this is a very, very, very pretty neutral palette. This is perfect for everyday looks, guys. I really, really, really love this palette. These metallic shades, you have some shimmer shades, some matte shades. These are gorgeous. I mean, I have to swatch at least the shimmer shades, y'all. I have to. That's how they look on my fingertips. And this is one swatch, y'all, right there. Gorgeous. I'm definitely going to get some good use out of this palette. And this, my loves, retails for $18. And then my final product that I chose myself, y'all saw I got confused with the palette situations, and I ended up picking a lot of palettes. I did. So I have like 3 palettes in this haul, which I am not mad about. So this one, guys, is from Julius Smith Beauty, and this is the eyeshadow palette right here. I think it is only 5 shades in this palette, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so when we open it up, it comes bubble wrapped, and we have, this is the outside packaging. It's nice. Oh, I love that gold. It's so pretty. The back looks the same. And when we open her up, oh, there's no mirror. But these colors are simply gorgeous. Look at that, y'all. Look at those colors. Now, there is a lot of empty space here. I wish they would have filled with some shadows, but the shadows that I do see here, I do love the shadows on this palette, y'all. I'm not gonna swatch this one because I may put this one in a giveaway. So we're just gonna load this one right back on up into the packaging and get that retail price for y'all. So the Julius Smith Beauty Power 5 Shadow Palette retails for $28, my loves. And I did also get this little Willpower blush right here as an add-on in my box. It's a blush, and let me show you how it looks. It's just a simple little color like that, okay? All right, so that was my final product in this month's Ipsy Glam Plus. We're gonna do a recap really quick, do final thoughts, and we're gonna rate it, and we're gonna be done, okay? So we received from Julius Smith this eyeshadow palette here. From Violet Voss, the Creme Brulee Fun Size Palette. From Perlis, the Matcha Green Tea Moisturizer Primer. From Tarte, this Shape Tape Setting Powder. And my favorite from Lovecraft Beauty, this eyeshadow palette here. These 5 products for this month. Final thoughts on the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was I actually loved every product that I received. The palettes are gorgeous. They swatched out really nice. I am looking forward to using this moisturizer primer. Definitely looking forward to using this Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. So I must say that I am pretty pleased with the products that I got. I mean, I chose mostly palettes, which I will never complain about that. So yes, my loves, I am pleased with my bag this month. Let me know in the comments down below what you got. Let me know if you like this box that I received, and let me know what you thought about your choices. I was not able to screenshot a picture of my choices. I think I posted on Instagram. So go there and check me out if you're not following me there. But I think the choices were okay this month. I don't think they were like super mind-blowing. That's why I think I picked so many palettes, but I'm happy with the pigment payoff. I'm happy with the moisturizer, the settings powder. So I must say I'm pretty happy, y'all. So if I had to rate this bag on a scale of 1 being this bag is garbage, throw it in the damn witch's house. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give Ipsy for the month of October, their Glam Bag Plus, a whopping 4 for this month. I do wish that the choices were a little bit better, but overall, I did enjoy my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun unboxing this with you guys. Don't forget, guys, if you're not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below. Let me know your thoughts on my bag. Let me know what you received in your bag. And I'm gonna go film the Ipsy Glam bag now with the same look. So y'all gonna see this back to back. I hope y'all don't mind. So that's all that I have, guys. Until next time, in the next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all dearly. Bye, guys.